Alright, let's talk about diode. So let's begin. What is a diode? What is a diode? A diode is a two-terminal semiconductor device that acts as a one-way valve for electric current. That means that it allows current to flow easily in one direction, and that's in that mode it is called forward bias, and restrict it in the opposite direction, and in that mode it is called reverse bias. Let's look. What is the symbol of diode? What does it look like? So this is what a diode looks like. Let me make that picture bolder. Let's make that picture bolder. So this is what a diode looks like, and you see this is the direction of current flow. So this is in this direction it allows current to flow easily and therefore called forward bias. And this is a symbol for a diode. So when current flow from here to here is forward bias. Albeit when you try to move current through from this direction in this direction from here to here, that is reverse bias. Do you get that? So some key aspects about diode. Number one, it has two terminals, and the terminals are called anode and cathode. Anode and cathode. So the cathode side is often marked by a stripe on the side of the body. Let me show you that. This is the anode side and this is the cathode side. This is the anode side and this is the cathode side. You see the cathode side is always marked by a stripe on that side of the body. On the symbol, this is the anode side and this is the cathode side. The cathode side is where you have this line closing up this triangle and also signifies the direction of current flow. Here are different kinds of diode. The one over here is a laser diode. This is a light-emitting diode. This is a zener diode. This is a photodiode. This is a bridge rectifier diode. This is another light-emitting diode, LED. This is a light-emitting diode. This is a PN junction diode. This is a normal diode. This is a varactor diode. So a laser diode is one that emits a laser light whenever it is powered. It's as simple as that. The light-emitting diode, we've discussed about this earlier. The zener diode is one that whenever it acts as a regulator, it regulates the voltage. When it reaches the voltage, the breakdown voltage, or the voltage is designed for, it regulates it at that level. The photodiode, on the other hand, responds to light. Whenever light enters, it changes the characteristics of the diode. It conducts, especially in the reverse bias mode. And this is a varactor diode. It has a capacitance that changes with the amount of current flowing through it in the reverse bias mode. Light emitting diode turns on light when current flows through it. A bridge rectifier diode converts AC to DC, and this is a normal PN junction diode. And right here the picture is not shown, but over here you see the symbol they are trying to tell you is an infrared LED diode. I mean IR, infrared diode. IR diode. So let me give you a simple experiment. If you have a remote close to you, your TV remote, a radio remote, point the remote to your phone camera and put on the camera app. You will see the lights from that infrared coming out from the remote. So that's to tell you that it's not just an ordinary light, it's an infrared light. So those are the kinds of diodes that we have. So what are diodes used for? Basically, diodes are used as rectifiers in power supplies. Diodes are used as protection circuits. Maybe you don't want current to flow in a particular direction, you can put a diode there. And diodes are used in signal demodulation. In the next video, I will show you how to use your diode as rectifiers and in a power supply system. Thank you for watching.